We are here in Portsmouth at the UK's largest ham radio warehouse, and we're going to have a look at the MFJ 1234, a remote rig controller, and to introduce it is Stephen, M0MUU.
Good morning, this is the RigPi station server. It's boxed up by MFJ, but it's independently developed. It's a wonderful device because it solves most of your rig control and remote operation problems. It can interface with the newest of rigs to the old rigs. It comes with USB interfaces, Ethernet, audio interfaces, HDMI for screen, audio in and out, paddle, PTT, and you can run the key directly from here. It is in fact a completely standalone device for managing your station. You're able to connect multiple radios to it, and as users you can connect multiple remote computers, your phone and any form of web browser to it to control your devices. So you'll be able to sit in the garden having your barbecue, controlling your radio and listening to things and having a QSO. If it's cold, you can actually leave your cold shack and sit by the fire with a glass of whiskey and control your rig. Or if your XYL says you're spending too much time in the shack, you can go down the pub and still control your rig and have a QSO. This is the tuning display you get. It is a fully standalone computer. Allows you complete rig control, changing of bands. It will also control rotors and other station equipment. And as I said before, you can have multiple rigs and log in from multiple places. One of the fantastic things about this is the support available. It's amazing. The creator themselves and the programmer are active on the RigPi support forum. So any problems with any rigs and things like that, you can talk about it. Solutions, software updates and new applications for it are constantly coming online. So it's an expanding device with lots of support. In addition, coming as standard, you've got voice over IP with mumble and murmur, so you can actually connect into your phone. It does work with Comcat, so you can use Comcat into this, so you can be in your garden or wherever with a QSO on any band. And also it comes with WSJTX, so you can run FT8, Whisper and all your favourite data modes in background directly from this. You do not need another computer, and it just goes on and on adding. If you look into the menus, there's lots and lots of ham radio applications available for this. It is really a computer to control your station, which is why it's called the station server. Right, this is now connected to the 7300, just using a single USB cable which does the cat control, the audio and data, all in the one cable. Very, very simple with a modern rig. And I can just go and tune up and down the band to my heart's content. I can change how fine or how coarse the tuning, and of course I can quickly change bands as well. And now on to 40 meters, and I'll do it fairly coarse for a moment just to see what's around, and I can tune up and down the band. This is a very impressive device with huge potential for now and for the future, and it can solve a lot of problems which people really struggle to get around. So 73s from our Portsmouth showroom, and I look forward to catching you on air.